Here we have a problem on indices. Okay, let's read the question to understand the information. If 2 power x is equal to 3 power y is equal to 6 power minus z, then find the value of 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z. Okay, this is the information we have. Using this information, we have to find the value of this expression. Okay, let's check the given information. That is 2 to the power of x equal to 3 to the power of y is equal to 6 to the power of minus z. So all these three terms are equal. So whatever value I have for 2 power x, I'll have the same value for 3 power y and 6 power minus z as well. So but I do not know what is the value of 2 power x. If I assume the value of 2 power x is k, then the value of 3 power y will also be k, the value of 6 power minus z will also be k, because all of them are equal. So we can say all these three quantities are equal to the value k. So then we can take 2 power x is equal to k, 3 power y is equal to k, 6 power minus z is equal to k. Okay, the next step what we can do is we can take the exponent x to the right side of the equation. So if the exponent x goes to the right side of the equation, it will become its reciprocal. Then we'll get 2 is equal to k to the power of 1 by x. So the same thing we can do here. Then we'll get 3 is equal to k to the power of 1 by y, and 6 is equal to k to the power of minus 1 by z. Have taken the reciprocal, I have taken the exponent to the right side. So when exponent goes to the right side, it will become its reciprocal. Okay, now what we can do is we can write this 6 as 2 times 3. That is 2 times 3 is equal to k to the power of minus 1 by z. Okay, so here from this equation we know that 2 is equal to k to the power of 1 by x. So for this 2 we can substitute k to the power of 1 by x, and for 3 we can substitute k to the power of 1 by y. So k to the power of 1 by x times k to the power of 1 by y is equal to k to the power of minus 1 by z. So here we multiply two terms with the same base. So now what we can do is we can take the base ones, we can add the exponents. 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to k to the power of minus 1 by z. Okay, in the next step what we can do is we can apply the one of the laws of exponents. That is, if two terms are equal with the same base, we can equate the exponents. Here the base is k, here the base is k. So on both sides we have the same base, and both these two quantities are equal. So we can equate the exponents, 1 by x plus 1 by y and minus 1 by z. So we get 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to minus 1 by z. Okay, now what I am going to do is I am going to take this minus 1 by z to the left side of the equation. If it comes to the left side of the equation, it will become plus 1 by z. So 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z, and the right side we have nothing, so I have to put 0. So the value of 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z is equal to 0.